welcome back to my channel. It's me Tanu, and in today's video I am going to share this eye makeup look, and this is a cut crease eye makeup look. And let me tell you that it is very easy to create, and this video is beginner friendly. तो आप अगर starting age में भी हो, this is really easy and affordable for you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here I have already done one of my eyes, and on the another one I will show how I created this look. I am going to use these three colors from the Hilary Rhoda palette, and this is the most affordable palette. Here I am taking the light pink shade with a fluffy brush, and you can see how softly I am just starting to build the color. So as this is a transition color, we are just going to blend it only on our crease, not on our whole eyelid. Then I am taking this hot pink shade from the palette, and do remember कि dark shade को हमेशा outer V पे ही लगाते हैं, not in the inner corner, and main thing is blending. Always remember, blending is the most important thing in makeup. Then I'm taking this concealer from Maybelline, as this is the lightest shade I have. You can take any concealer you have. Then with this flat brush I'm applying it on my eyelid. So this is the most easy way to do a cut crease. You just have to apply it on your eyelid, and you can see आपको एक line मिल जाएगा, and then you just have to cover it up. Well, now the main thing comes, which is don't forget to look at your mirror and appreciate your beauty, because you are beautiful. And with my finger I'm taking this pink shade, and I am applying it on my cut crease. जहाँ पे मैंने concealer apply किया था, I am applying it over that. After that I am taking the hot pink shade again and blending it on my outer V to give it a depth. Then I'm taking this glitter eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. I'm currently obsessed with this, but keeping that aside, we just have to apply it on the concealed area. Then I am using this lipstick which I bought from a local store as my liner. I thought it would be great to use it as my neon liner, cause normally neon liners are expensive and I wanted to give it a try. So yeah, it went kind of well. If you don't have a neon liner, do use this hack, cause for me it went pretty well. Then I am taking this liquid eyeliner and I will do a very thin winged liner. Now here's today's free tip. अगर आप bold eyeshadow या फिर eye look करना चाहते हैं, do not go for a thick liner, क्योंकि it will totally cover up the look. After my eyeliner, I'll apply mascara and falsies off camera. And ta-da! This is my look for today, and I paired it with a nude lipstick, not because I'm obsessed with nudes, just because we want our eyes to pop out, and for that we need to use a lighter shade for our lips. So I have kind of curled my hair, and if you need a tutorial on that, I would love to do that. Please do comment down below. And now you can see my beauty shots. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something from today's video. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below आपको आज का आई मेकअप लुक कैसा लगा and what do you want to see in my next video. Till then, do follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. And also do not forget to love yourself with or without makeup. Till my next video. Bye bye. Take care.